Let me show you how to properly use your smart bracelet as well as all the tips and tricks you need to know about this cool smartwatch. Before you can actually turn it on, you will actually need to probably charge it. So the way we can charge it is we can simply remove this band like this. So use some force, and as you see, once you pop it off, basically you have this basically connector that can be plugged in any USB. Also, it's very important how you actually plug this in, because we can actually insert it like this, or also in this way as well, which is obviously incorrect, and actually you won't be able to charge it this way. So simply observe where you have this large hole in the USB and insert it like I'm showing you in this position. And also, what's really cool about this device, we can actually charge it from our phone as well. If you get a simple adapter like this that converts USB, for example, to the Type-C, and if I plug it in, you'll see it actually start to charge as well, which is absolutely cool. And the way we actually control this smartwatch is actually using this tiny button. So at the end, so you'll see this circle. So to turn it on, as the first time, you can either plug it in basically in a charger, or you can click and hold this for a few seconds and it will actually turn on as well. So basically, this actually doesn't have a touchscreen, so all the options are simply controllable using this tiny button. So simply click it, and as you see, you can actually cycle through the different menus here. And for example, if you go to the more, you can also click and hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds. As you see, you actually get even more options over here. So you can control your camera, weather, look for your phone, reset it, and yeah, power it off as well here. So yeah, it's actually quite advanced overall. And again, if you want to enter any of these things, for example, start this, again, click and hold it. So as you see, basically it will start to do whatever you need to. And also the smartwatch actually has got a phone app as well. So if you want to change your time and basically control everything, then you'll need to download this app called Fitpro. So once you download and open it, agree to whatever it asks basically, and then also make sure to allow this location access, and also make sure you actually have Bluetooth enabled on your phone to be able to actually find this smart band. Then in this app, we can go to the Set tab over here and click here, Bind devices to experience more features. Again, make sure to allow this, otherwise you won't be able to actually find it. So then it will scan basically, so this might usually take to 1 minute. As you see, a name appeared here, so we can simply click on it. As you see, it will start to attempt to connect, and also it will actually set your time as well, all the settings and basically everything as well. So you do not really need to set anything manual. As you see, once I connected, my time is set and date, and everything else is set on my watch. So yeah, actually kind of cool. And inside this app, we can actually see all the data that this band can provide. And also I suggest again to go to the Set tab and go to this message push. So basically click this, and basically we can also receive notifications basically from our phone. For example, we can actually receive WhatsApp notifications on this over here, but we first have to actually go over here and actually enable these notifications. So okay, find the Fitpro, allow notification access, and again, if you actually do not do this, you actually won't get like any SMS notifications or call notifications and WhatsApp or pretty much any other messenger. So this is very important. And if you want to change the watch face maybe on your watch, we actually have a few different choices already installed. So we can simply press and hold this button for a few seconds while we are basically in the watch face mode, and you see you can actually change to a different watch face as well if you want to. Also, if we go to the phone app and click the dial settings, we can actually change and upload actually even more watch face on this watch, which is actually kind of cool. Yeah, we can actually choose from all kinds of different watch face, so pretty cool actually. So to select any watch face, simply click on it and click this synchronize dial as well. You can choose different layouts for your time as well over here. And then also one more cool thing, you can actually click over here, change the dial on any watch face. So, and we can actually literally select any image to be used as a custom watch face. So I'm going to select this funny cat. So again, I can maybe play around with the like location of the like where the time is. So maybe need to frame it better basically, and click the synchronize dial basically. And once you press this, you will see this notification that basically the watch face is being uploaded. So simply wait a bit till it finishes. And as you see, basically once it finishes the transfer, our new image got uploaded over here. Also, let me show you some more cool features over here. So if we go on more, click and hold more, we can also control our camera on our phone remotely as well. But first make sure to open the Fitpro app, otherwise you won't be able to launch it. So make sure this app is running basically like this, and then we can basically click and hold the camera. And as you see, it actually opened our camera app and start the countdown timer basically, and will take a picture basically. So again, we can press this to start it again, and yeah, it's actually kind of cool. And also from this watch, we can actually control our music on our phone as well. So first, make sure you have some like music open, basically the app that you want to control remotely, and then click and hold on the music to enter it. And basically this is a bit tricky sometimes. So to like go between different menus, we simply have to like lightly press this. So if I, as you see, if I lightly press, it will actually like go between the different modes. So and to select it, basically click and hold it a bit more. For example, you see, I can basically start playing this music basically over here. And again, if I click and hold, I can also pause it. And also, again, click once, I can also go to the next track. If I again hold a bit more. So the timeout actually is kind of bad on this watch, so it times out really fast. So yeah, but you see, I can actually literally control music here from the watch itself remotely, which is absolutely cool. Also, there is one more thing we need to do. So in this app, also make sure to go to this profile and basically click your user profile and make sure to actually fill out your correct age, height, and also weight. So by default, you see the date probably isn't the best. So again, make sure you actually set your own height and weight, so it actually like calculates the stuff more accurately as well. And overall, the Smart Bracelet smartwatch is actually a really cool watch, especially when you consider the very cheap price of it. So usually these cost even sometimes under like $3, which is kind of cool. So I'll actually leave a link where I got mine, and for the price this costs, yeah, it's absolutely insane what we are getting. By the way, I'm actually really trying to grow this channel. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you, and good luck everyone. See you.